Hi, it's Beatle J here, and I've got my Beatles Decca tapes audition. Uh, this is a sealed version, and it'll remain that way. The Beatles Decca audition tapes. The Beatles auditioned for Decca Records at Decca Studios in West Hampton, North London on January 1st, 1962. The tapes of the Decca audition session were available only on rare bootlegs initially, but today all 15 tracks of the audition are readily available for all Beatle fans to enjoy the raw talent of the greatest rock band ever. Paul McCartney, John Lennon, George Harrison, and Pete Best arrived at the audition for the commercial test to be headed by Mike Smith of Decca. The order of the songs at the session were Like Dreamers Do, Money, Till There Was You, The Sheik of Araby, To Know Her Is to Love Her, Take Good Care of My Baby, Memphis, Tennessee, Sure to Fall, Hello Little Girl, Three Cool Cats, Crying, Waiting, Hoping, Love of the Love, September in the Rain, Be Such Mucho, Searchin'. It was about a month later, Decca Records executives passed on the Beatles because they felt the group had no future in show business and that guitar groups were on their way out. While Beatles manager Brian Epstein had been negotiating with Decca, he also approached EMI marketing executive Ron White. The Beatles eventually signed with an EMI subsidiary, Parlophone. After producer George Martin heard the Decca demos, he decided to meet the band, and the rest is Beatle history.